Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys basically the food that you should cook for the seed shop NPC in Grow a Garden. So this is what you should do if you don't have bone blossom. You're just going to make the corn dog. I know I've said that a lot on this channel to cook the corn dog. We're just going to stock up on corn dog. I think that's mythical because if you just do like a normal recipe, it's only going to give you like a few points. I think that gives either 6 points or 7. I think it gives 6. But transcendent gives like 7. I'm actually not sure about transcendent. I think I did mythical and it was like 6 or 7. But you can only feed the NPC once per day. That's why you'll need to feed it the one with the like points, I guess. Okay, so the recipe for this, I think you already know. It is the pine cone. Okay, hold on. Do I even have one? Okay. It's pine cone, and then corn, and then pepper. Okay, I need to get more, but those are the 3 ingredients that you need. I know it's not still the simplest item ever, but the items are restockable by shop, and like you don't have to wait for the prehistoric event. I don't even know if it's going to ever come up, but yeah, that is pretty much it. What is this? Oh, Princess Sword. That is pretty much it. It is again pine cone, pepper, and corn. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh, also, I want to mention, this is how you feed it, by the way. You just take out your food and feed. As you can see, I can only feed it in 2 hours, so that is it. That's a cooldown. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.